Do you like shopping? Yes, I love shopping. It makes me happy. Where do you usually shop? I usually shop at the nearby mall. Do you prefer offline shopping? No, I prefer online shopping because it saves time. How often do you go shopping? I go shopping once a month. Do you look for discounts and offers? Yes, I love shopping during sales. Do you check reviews before buying online? Yes, always. Do you prefer paying in cash or online? I prefer online payments. Do you like street shopping? Yes, it's fun and cheap. What are you shopping for today? I am looking for a new dress. How was your last shopping experience? It was good. How do you check if clothes fit well? I always try them on before buying. Do you buy groceries online? Yes, sometimes when I'm busy. Do you enjoy shopping for clothes? Yes, I love exploring new fashion trends. Where is the fruit section? It's near the entrance. Do you need a shopping cart or basket? Yes, I need a basket. Is this item on sale? Yes, it's 15% off. Can I return this if it is damaged? Yes, within 10 days. Do you deliver groceries at home? Yes, we do for orders above $100. Can I get a bill for this purchase? Yes, here it is. Do you buy fresh or frozen vegetables? I usually buy both. Do you shop more in store or online? I shop more online. Do you check expiry dates before buying? Yes, I check expiry dates before buying. Do you take your own bags? Yes, I take paper bags. What is your favorite grocery section? I like the vegetables section. What kind of shoes do you like? I like sports shoes. Let's practice common phrases used while shopping. How much is this? How much is this? Where is the changing room? Where is the changing room? Do you have this item in stock? Do you have this item in stock? Do you have a refund policy? Do you have a refund policy? Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? Does it come with a warranty? Does it come with a warranty? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? Does this come in other colors? Does this come in other colors? Could I have a receipt, please? Could I have a receipt, please? Do you have any discounts? Do you have any discounts? The price tag is missing. The price tag is missing. Do you have home delivery? Do you have home delivery? Can I see more options? Can I see more options? Do you have a membership discount? Do you have a membership discount? I think this is overpriced. I think this is overpriced. Does this shrink after washing? Does this shrink after washing? Are there any new arrivals? Are there any new arrivals? How long is the delivery time? How long is the delivery time? Are there extra charges for shipping? Are there extra charges for shipping? Is this item on sale? Is this item on sale? Can I get a bill for this purchase? Can I get a bill for this purchase? Can I return this if it is damaged? Can I return this if it is damaged? Do you deliver groceries at home? Do you deliver groceries at home? Where is the fruit section? Where is the fruit section? I will pay by card. I will pay by card. Can I exchange this for another one? Can I exchange this for another one? Thank you for watching.